Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here. Like that. And here we've got the recents. Basically, if you wish, you can close the apps manually just by swiping them up. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, I highly recommend to simply tap on close. And now we've got this information, we can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background tabs. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.